like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
All right, boy, Trigger Man, back in the lab. And today, what we have here. All right, today we have a Toyota Camry, damage on the fender, a little bit of damage on the bumper. So we're gonna blend into the door, okay? So what we're gonna do today, we have the new gun from Porphis, the PRD 817. Beautiful, sexy little gun. Oh yeah, see? No swivel. Yeah, we don't do swivel over here. We take the swivel and we get rid of that. No swivel. Any spray gun manufacturer, do not put the swivel. We don't want it. No swivel, no swivel. We want a fixed joint. No swivel, okay? See, no swivel, we don't do that. Anyway, split nozzle, 1.3. Still has all of the tick, 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 boom, blow you up, boy. But yeah, that's it, man. Real nice looking gun, real nice looking gun. Very good. Looks like the, I don't know if I can say, yeah, I can say it, Segola. You know what I'm saying? Segola, but for a fraction of the payola. You know what I'm saying? Cheaper. But we're gonna see if it get down like a Segola. The fan looks huge. I haven't sprayed with the gun yet. I was cleaning it out with some thinner and I sprayed it and I was like, man, it look big. You know what I'm saying? Even with thinner. So it just made me like, I wanna check it. I wanna see what it is. So I'm gonna just put a little bump on here just to see what we got. I meant to bring a measuring tape, but I gotta get out of here, man. It's 3 o'clock, after 3, and we leave at 4. So this is gonna be a quick video. Yeah, so I'm gonna go mask up, mix up, and we will get to it.
Okay, so what we have on the fluid, we're going with 2 turns out, okay? From closed, 2 turns out. And then on the fan, what we're gonna do, we're gonna blast it wide open. All right, those will be the gun settings. Very even fan. Nice pattern. Then what I'll do, back up a few inches. Even bigger, okay? So like a little bit before drop coat distance. Big, large fan, okay? Then you'll see here the wetness. It's not top or bottom heavy. Good even fluid distribution. So I personally like the gun. I would make the PRD 815 a dedicated base coat gun, and then this would be a dedicated clear coat gun. So it'd be like a set, base coat and clear coat. And again, I'm just speaking for me. I'm sure a lot of guys out there love the 815 for clear coat. But if you wanted to do like a set, you know, like every other spray gun manufacturer has a set, the base coat gun, the clear coat gun. For me, that would be the ideal setup here. The 815 sprays base coat, great. Sprays metallics, good. So naturally, this split tip V technology is gonna atomize the heck out of some clear coat. So why not? So on this particular job, I'm gonna be spraying the clear coat at 22 PSI just to try it out. Again, it's my first go with the gun. So the finish that you're gonna see is gonna be the gun settings that I gave you plus the 22 PSI. Okay. And it matched up this Toyota Camry, the factory peel. Perfect. So those of you that like to do the whole glass finish, you may need some different settings, maybe a little more pressure. Again, I have it at 22 PSI. A lot of people argue that these guns, you can go all the way down to below 20 PSI. And yes, they can. But it all depends on the finish that you're looking for. You can put it at 10 PSI. A lot of you guys see I do videos on my shorts and I show you guys spraying guns at 10 psi, 9 psi, yeah, they'll all work. But depending on your material, the gun settings, and the finish that you're looking for. So as far as the fan, I'm gonna crank it in just a little, boom, just a little bit right there. Not much. It's not even a half a turn. It may be a quarter. Right there. That's it. Again, first time spraying the gun, playing around with it, trying to get familiar with it. 22 psi. The first coat was 22, as well as this coat, 22 psi. Okay. These are the gun settings. So whatever you guys want to tell me that this gun is capable of doing, I'm sure it is, but these are the settings and this is the results with it, okay? Because I already know once the new guns launch and you're getting all the different information from different painters, it's all going to vary. All I can tell you is what I'm using, the settings, and that's it. And it's about the typical speed of a split nozzle. Again, they are going to be a tad bit slower than your standard tip spray guns, but that's also because they're doing a little more atomizing than your standard tip spray guns. Okay, so they're doing a little more work. So with more work comes what? More time. So that's to be expected. That's why me personally, all of my split nozzle spray guns that I purchase are in a 1.4. That way I still keep my speed, but then the gun's atomizing extraordinarily well, so you can kind of almost still get the same finish as you would with a smaller tip size, if that makes any sense to you. That's why every iWatt I own is a 1.4, and I would love to have this gun here in a 1.4. So yeah, for me, you know, that works. That way I keep my speed, production. You know, I'm not doing this as a hobby. I'm not doing this as a part-time worker. I do this all day. Okay, so I need to move, need to get in the booth, out of the booth. So there's a finish with it. Again, it's a nice factory finish. I wasn't really trying to go for a glass look yet with it. The next job I do, I think I'm going to crank it up a little and go for that, see what we can get. But yeah, this is very good for a first time, right off the gun. Trigger man likey. I likey, and I think that you will likey. Yep.
All right, we got it done. This is what we're looking like. It's actually still wet. Yeah, booth is still running, but it's Friday and I got to get up out of here. So if it's here Monday, then I'll pull it out. Probably won't, because all the owner has to do is unmask the door handle, mirror, and then deliver it. So he'll probably do that tomorrow on Saturday. But yeah, man, the gun spray's good. Spray's good. I like it more than the 815 for clear. You know, the 815 could probably be good for base, and then this would be a clear gun. But that split tip, yeah, it slows it down a little, but that's because it's atomizing. It's doing its thing. But yeah, I like it. No complaints here. Look forward to using it more. Yeah, so end of the day, Friday, about to get up out of here. But that's the Porphis 817 split tip technology. Good gun.
Okay, so that's going to wrap it up on this first video with the 817. I am going to do another video, and I'm going to crank up the pressure, and I'm going to really go for the glass look on that one. So again, just getting familiar with the gun. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Drop a comment. I ask that you would please share this video with a friend. And after doing so, if you would please tell his girlfriend. Peace.